Everyone, today we are going to begin class 8 chapter 2 linear equation 1 variable exercise 2.5 question number 5 3t minus 2 divided by 4 2t minus plus 3t minus 2 divided by 4 2t plus 3 divided by 3 2 by 3 minus t. So we are going to begin how to solve it. First you observe that this is in this way the question is here. So after that what we can do, we can shift this variable to this side. If we are going to shift, it will become plus t, and we can proceed that by taking the LCM because they are in the form of fraction. So we will be doing like this. So 3 4s are 12. 12 is the LCM. If we 3 into 3 to minus 2, 4 into 2, so 2 by 3 you will be getting. After that it is a bracket outside, we have to multiply. Just 90, 3 2s are 6, then 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 plus 12t 2 by 3. In this way, after this here we have to do the cross multiplication. 3 into 3t minus 18 is equal to 24. After this 39 minus 54 is equal to 24. The same way 39t is equal to 78. T if we keep and if we write 78 divided by 39 is equal to 2. So we have got the value t is equal to 2. What we can do, for checking we have to substitute the t value. Wherever t is there we have to substitute 2. So if we substitute, it will be getting like this. So 3 2s are 6 and minus 2, it will be here. It is got erased. Minus 2 it will be here. Then 4 plus 3 because 2 2s are 4 and 2, where is the 2? So 4 by 4. 6 minus 2 4. 4 plus 3 7 by 3. 2 minus 6. So we will be getting minus 4 by 3. But we have to take the LCM of this. So what we will be getting? We are going to 4 3s are 3 4s are 12. 12 minus, so we have to do the 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 4 7s are 28, 12 minus 28, so we will be getting minus 16 and minus 4 by 3 in the same side. So because here I have put the arrow mark next step. Minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 divided by 3 will be as it is. So we will be getting the same answer. Minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3, we will be getting left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hope you understood. Thank you. Hello. Now question number 6. Solve the following linear equation. M minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 m minus 2 divided by 3. So here we have to solve the following equation, means we have to find the value of m. So how can we find? First you can observe that here m minus 1 minus m. So variable we will put it together m by 1. If there is no denominator, we have to consider as 1. M minus 1 m minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So in the same way here we will get 6m minus 3 into. How we will get 6 here? By taking the LCM of that. So we are getting this. So is equal to 1. So if we simplify this, 6m, 2m, 8m, 8m minus 3m, you will be getting 5m. Then minus 4 plus 3, you will be getting minus 1. That side 1 only. So if we do the cross multiplication, 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. 5m is equal to 7. So we will be getting m is equal to 7 by 5. So we will, to check that, we have to write the equation once again. Let us substitute the value 7 by 5. If we substitute the value, you will be getting like this. Same procedure you can follow that. Whenever there is a fraction, so we have to take the LCM and we have to do it. Then we have to simplify that. Once we simplify, we will be getting in this way the answers. So whatever you are doing, 7 by 5 all those we will be getting, and we will be getting the answers like this. So whatever we are going to do, just we are doing the simplification. So 7 minus 1 will be getting 6. Here if we do that LCM and taking that, you will be getting 6 by 5, 6 by 5. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So therefore it is correct. Now the next question number 7 also the same way. Simplify and solve the following. 3t minus 3, 5, 2t plus 1. This is already in the some way. So let us multiply outside with the numbers 3t minus 9, 10t plus 5. So let us bring to the one side 3t minus 10t when we shift 5 plus 9 minus 7t is equal to 14. You will be getting t is equal to 14 by 7. So 7 ones are 7 twos are, but there is a negative minus 7. So the t value will be minus 2. Let us substitute that. How we will be substitute? 3t minus 3 is equal to 5 2t plus 1 minus 2. If we substitute, you will be getting the left hand side minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus 2 2s are 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 will be getting minus 3. So we will be getting minus 15 minus 15. Therefore it is correct. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hope. Question number 8. Simplify and solve the following linear equation. Now the question is like this. 15 bracket y minus 4 minus 2y minus 9 plus 5y plus 6. So let us simplify and solve it. Let us multiply and write 15 into y, 15y, 15 4s are 60 minus 2y, 2 9s are 18, 5y's are 5 6 are 30. So after writing, so we can simplify 15 minus 2, 13y, 13 plus here 5y. So you will be getting 18y. Once you get the 18y, so what we can do? After that minus 60 plus 30. So they are having opposite sign. So we will be getting minus 30. Again here 18 is there. So like terms minus 30 plus 18 you will be getting minus 12. So 18y minus 12. If I shift 18y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 by 18. So the value is y is equal to 2 by 3. Now let us to check that 15 y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6. So if we do it, we will substitute the value 15 2 by 3 2 by 3 minus 9 5 2 by 3 plus 6. So once we done, let us here all are in the form of fraction. So let us take the LCM 3 2 minus 12. So here in the bracket 2 minus 27 2 plus 18. So if we simplify, you will be getting minus 10. Here we will be getting minus 25. Here will remaining we have written as it is. So we can simplify 3 ones are 3 5s are 5 10s are 50. So minus 50. So 2 5s are 50. Minus minus become plus 50. 5 2s are 10 into 20 means so 100. 100 by 3. So we can simplify. There is the same denominator. So we have added 150 minus 50. So what we can do? Minus 150 plus 150. How you got minus 150? Because by taking the LCM of for both. So here you have got, but the numerator becomes 0. Once the numerator becomes 0, everything will become 0. 0 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is correct. Question number 9. Simplify this following equation. So you can observe there is a question 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 9z minus 11 4 8z minus 13 minus 17. What we can do, easily we can solve it. Just first we have to multiply it. 3 5s are 15z, 3 7s are 21. So minus 2 9s are minus 18z minus minus plus 2 11s are 22 is equal to 32z, 8 4s are 32, 13 4s are 52, minus 17 will be writing as it is. So 15 18. If we subtract, we will be getting minus 3z, minus 21 plus 22, so plus 1. So 32z minus 52 minus 11. So if we add, because they are having the same sign, minus 69. So 69, if we shift this side, minus become plus. So 69 plus 1. Then this 32z minus 3z, if I brought here, it will become plus. So 70, 35z is equal to, z is equal to 70 by 35. 35 ones are, 35 twos are. So you are getting the z value 2. So for checking purpose, let us substitute that value. Wherever z is there, let us substitute here, here, here. So what we can do after that? 5 twos are 10. Remaining all the things we are writing as it is. 9 twos are 18. 8 twos are 16. After that, 10 minus 7, we will be getting 3. We are not going to touch outside the bracket. Let us solve first inside. 18 minus 11, 7. 16 minus 13, so 3, because plus 3, so minus 17. Now we have to multiply with the outside. 3 3s are 9, 2 7s are 14, 4 3s are 12, minus 17. So 9 minus 14, we will be getting minus 5. 12 minus 17, we will be getting minus 5. So hence it is left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is correct. Now if we simplify and solve the following, the last equation of this exercise, very easily you can do it, but you have to do the decimal multiplication here. Whatever you are going to do, you have to do it decimal multiplication. So let us take down the first thing. This is the equation I have multiplied. 25 4s are 100. So 2 decimal places are there. I have put 25 3s are 75.75. 10 5s are 50.50. 5 9s are 45.45. In this way, then 1f minus 50f, so 75 minus 45. I have shifted this because it has to be, this has, when it is moving, it will become negative. So after that, when we simplify this, we will be getting 0.50 f 0.3. F is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.50. So 5 ones are 5, 6 are 30 will be getting. So F value will be 0.6. But whatever you are doing, we have to do with the decimal thing. 0.25 4f minus 3, 0.05 10f minus 9. So in this way, if we start, so we have to put the f value 0.6. 0.6 if we substitute, 6 4s are 24. So in this way, 10 6s are 60. But here there is a one decimal point. So here we will be getting 2.4. 2.4 minus 3, we will be getting minus 0.6. Here 6 minus 9 minus 3. So if we multiply, we will be getting minus 1.50. 0.150 minus 0.150. We will be getting left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is correct. So, in this way, we can solve the problem very easily. But when we are doing with the brackets and all, when we are removing the bracket, we have to be little bit more careful regarding the sign. Hope you understood this exercise. Enjoy. Have a nice day.